name is Carson Stevens. I'm an engineer with IMS USA, and today I'm going to be discussing the usage and maintenance of our IMS tool clamper. The use of a tool clamper is quite simple. You place the tool holder in the stand and then rotate the tool holder until the clamper locks in place, and this allows tightening in that direction. First, you'll need to locate a working surface to mount your tightening stand on. Make sure that it is tightened down and secure. After the stand has been mounted, check to see if it has any debris or oil in the cylindrical bearings, bearing retainer, or on the O-ring. If so, I recommend using a blowgun to blow it clean, followed by wiping it down with a dry, dust-free cloth. Make sure to do this before every use. Also, prior to placing the tool in the stand, wipe it clean as well. If oil or debris is left in the stand or on the tool holder, it could cause the tool clamper not to work properly. After cleaning, place your tool holder in the stand and rotate it. If it locks in place, rotating in both directions, it's working properly. If it doesn't lock in either direction or even one direction, then it's not performing like it should. Examine and clean the tool clamper and tool holder again. If it still doesn't engage, then the tool clamper needs to be replaced. I hope this information given today was very helpful. Thank you for watching. These tightening stands are available on our website at www.imsusanc.com. Make sure to comment and like us on our social media.